If you ever have a situation like this where your table has dimensions, has the font style or maybe font dimensions that are not matching or they're not in good shape, good size, uh, the way you would fix this is go to template editor. Okay, that is gives me an error or something. And I would go here and then go here and then just make this one. Okay, okay, hit save and go back to the template and let's see if that fixes the thing. Did I save this? Control S. Let's change this one for an instance. Let's make this as 1. Okay, apply. Okay, and save this template and then hit right click. So you see this is fixed now. But the problem is I will need to go and do this to each of those ones manually, individually, which is quite a bit of tedious exercise as such, and it's gonna take a long time for me to go through the entire uh, thing and fix it. One quick solution that I found is I already have this open here, so I'm just gonna maybe close it again. So what you can do is basically you just go to the folder of this one and let's find that TPL now. It should be on the top, this one. Now I use Notepad++, but you could do that with Notepad as well. A simple Notepad could also do that thing. So if I open that, any template file in Tekla is basically a Word file, or any settings that you save is can be edited as a text file. So you see this font ratio. This is what I need to change. So I'm just gonna control that, then control copy that, control H, and then this, and then just copy this entire bit, copy this entire thing, paste it here, and then just take everything off from here and replace all. It should replace all of the ones here now. And let's just save this file. Okay, let's replace it. We're gonna just close this off now. Sorry, that file is being used here, so it won't be able to write it. So if I go back here again, you see all of these text is fixed. So basically, I prefer using Notepad++ because it gives me a much better interface. I mean, it just looks a bit better. And if I have to replace anything, I can just go and Control H, and I already have these settings here now. So I can find all of these ones. So close this. Edit with Notepad+, and you see all of these ones are font style 1. You can do the same thing for text as well. So for an instance, if I want to change the text of all of these ones, now just copy these and I want to make them as Arial only. Okay. And I'm just gonna copy this to my clipboard in case I want to revert it back to. So I replace it. So it's already replaced everything now. And I'm gonna go back now. You see the font. Oh, so I have to save that. Control S. This writes over that. And when I do a right click refresh template, the font changed. So I'm gonna revert it back now. Control F again. Replace files. So this thing over here and this thing over here and replace all. It did that for 29 occurrences. Go back, Control S. So that's it. That kind of saves you a lot of effort instead of going through each and every of these ones and trying to change this over here like manually. I just find it much easier when I have to change templates. And these templates usually like you get this from a colleague or someone else or some client or something. So that helps. All right. Thank you. Bye bye.